All those rich people out there who think that they're playing Lord and Savior and they want everyone to bow down to them, one advice I have for you: you should make way. For the man who has a lot is weaker than the man who has nothing. For at the crossroads of life and death, it's harder for him to accept that he must now give up everything. For the man who has nothing is still searching for something. Maybe it's on the other side, since with life as he knew it, there was nothing. For when you take your last breath with all your worries weighing on your mind, you had no time to accept the truth. And that's when you slipped away through time. As the man who everyone once idolized, it's now time for you to decay. Buried so deep in the dark, moist underground, for the worms you now make way. For when they eat away at your flesh, they will not stop until they're done. And then all the worms must now eat at each other until there's only one. Eventually, all the worms will also die. And again, you're all alone. In a box about 6 feet deep under, filled with only dried up bones. For with all the riches and treasures you've had, what is it that you have really proven? Didn't you know it's easier for a camel to pass through the eye of a needle than a rich man to enter through the gates of heaven?